Breaking at noon, Sean Higgins, the suspected drunk driver accused of killing Johnny and Matthew Gaudreau, has been ordered to stay in jail while his case is pending. His virtual hearing wrapped up just a short time ago. Ryan Hughes is live outside of the Gloucester County Justice Complex with more on what we learned today in court. Good afternoon, Ryan.
Jim, good afternoon. And Sean Higgins was visibly upset in court this morning. He was coughing, he was wiping away tears, and at many times he had his head down as he appeared virtually on camera. This afternoon, as you mentioned, he now remains behind bars, charged with 2 counts of vehicular manslaughter. And in the courtroom this morning, prosecutors revealed new details in this case. They say in the weeks leading up to the crash that Higgins was working from home. And according to his wife, who was interviewed by police, he started drinking regularly during that time. The state also said that lab reports came back showing Higgins' blood alcohol level was .087 on the night of the crash, which is over the legal limit. The state also argued that Higgins should remain in jail because of his, quote, habit of driving with road rage. It was 2 weeks ago. Johnny and Matthew Gaudreau were riding bikes on Pennsville-Auburn Road in Salem County on the eve of their sister's wedding. Police say that Higgins was speeding and tried to pass an SUV on the right shoulder and struck both brothers from behind. In court today, prosecutors said that Higgins admitted he never saw them. According to charging documents, Higgins also admitted he drank 5 to 6 beers before the crash. His defense attorneys argued that he should be released because he does not have a criminal history. They said he's a model citizen and a major in the New Jersey National Guard. But in the end, the judge said he had significant concerns about Higgins being released and ordered him to stay in jail.
This is a crime that involves the gravest result, as I say, 2 deaths. For a most unjustifiable reason. At least on its face, we are dealing with a driving pattern and action on the night of that was sheerly a matter of impatience, anger, and recklessness.
And prosecutors also said that Higgins was placed on suicide watch when he first entered jail. He is no longer on suicide watch, we are told, but prosecutors argued they were fearful he may harm himself if he was released. The judge has now set a new hearing that is set for October 15th in Salem County. That hearing will be in person. That is the very latest. We are live this afternoon in Woodbury. Ryan Hughes. Jim, back to you.
Thank you, Ryan. And the local hockey community will come together tonight for another tribute to the Gaudreau brothers. The Philadelphia Rebels will honor Johnny and Matthew before their home opener at Hollydale Ice Arena. That's in Sewell, New Jersey. The Gaudreaus played hockey at Hollydale, and Matthew was an assistant coach with the Rebels. Tonight's tribute is open to the public. It's free to get in. Begins at 7:30. Doors, by the way, open at 6:30.